Okay, guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's remain your boy Treadmill. On today episode, I'm going to show you guys how to catch spikes on Crash 1000, how to make money on Crash 1000. Now, quickly, let's do this because I'm hoping we are going to catch a spike like real soon from here. Okay, I want you guys to know that you can actually catch spikes using support and resistance on your trade. Okay, let me show you this. You can see that at this level that the market has been playing around this position for some time, and we've got a lot of spikes from this position. If we can check, we've got a lot of spikes from this position. So all you need to do now is you set your resistance line there, and again you set your support line here. So what we are actually waiting for right now, it's for the market to hit this resistance level, because right now it's this particular line here is our resistance right now, but if it breaks this line, then it will turn to our support and this will be our resistance. So all you just need to do is you wait a bit, because in forex market, like I've always said, forex market needs a lot of patience, because if you don't have patience, you can just jump into a trade or jump out, and at the end you find out you've lost a lot of money. And we are not okay. So you just got a spike because it just got to a support level and we got a spike from there. Yes, I told you guys that we are going to catch a spike from this level, and you can see the moment it hit our support level, which is our resistance level at the moment, we got a spike. It's very simple, guys. Very simple. I just found out this analysis. I just found out this technique, this strategy. So I just had to show you to you guys, because I couldn't just kept it to myself alone, because I want everybody to make money. So you can actually catch spikes on Crash 1000 using the support and resistance. As you guys can see, we just got our spike on our first resistance level. So you guys can just use this method on your charts to make money, because this works a lot. And a lot of people might not tell you this, even if they want to tell you, I might charge a lot of money from you to show you this simple stuff, because it's very simple. I just found this out myself, and I noticed that you can actually use this method to catch spikes, and you can see it's really working, guys. It's really working. We just got our spike. So you get it. So if I thought we were about to enter a trade here, we would have seen that we would have made a whole lot of money from that point, because we were expecting to catch a spike at this line, and it really came out working. So guys, it's a simple method. I hope you guys understand this, and if you really don't understand how to use your support and resistance level, you can check on our video to watch how to place your support and resistance, because it's really working. All right, guys, if you liked this video, if you enjoyed this video, and you really want to get more from me, like you really want to get more strategies, you really want to get more techniques on how to catch spikes, on how to make money on FX, you can join our Telegram group. Just check below this post, you will see the link to join our Telegram group, where we teach you guys strategies, we give you guys signals on how to trade and make money. So guys, if you like this video, I'd like you to like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you can get videos from us that will teach you guys on how to make money on FX. because we are here to make money. No one comes to forex to lose money, and I'm here to help you guys make the money. So thank you guys for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Bye.